Nice work, Fly. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video was for typical Thursday, but I lost the footage for when I just started to shade. I tried to get it recovered, but unfortunately it cannot. That is why the video is so late. I'm still not done with this drawing. What I'm going to do when I'm finished with getting all the values in on the skin, I'm going to upload it to my Instagram page. I created that Instagram page just for this YouTube channel so that I can post finished art pieces, so you can always follow me on Instagram. This Jamaican YouTuber is Rushelin. Her YouTube channel is at Rushelin, so you can always go and search for her on YouTube and subscribe to her channel. I'm using the grid technique to complete this drawing. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. Bye. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.